Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ayush Khanna and you are watching our channel Ayush Khanna Classes. In this lecture, we will be completing with the income tax basics. Finally, the last lecture of income tax basics. Now let's start. First topic for today: taxability of companies. In today's topics, all the miscellaneous points of the basics of income tax will be taken up. We have two types of companies. One is domestic company and foreign company as per Income Tax Act 1961. See, uh, LTCG in both the cases is charged at 20%. LTCG 20%, STCG on which STT has been paid, in which on which STT have been paid under section 1 under section 111A is 15%. 15%. Casual income is taxed at 30% and 30%, and other income is taxed at 30% of a domestic company and 40% of foreign company. If any domestic company, let's say ABC Limited, have an income of rupees, let's say 9 lakhs, then tax on this on such income shall be shall be 30%. Okay, shall be 30%. But if such ABC Limited is a foreign company, then it will be taxed at 40%. Casual income should be taxed separately, and capital gains should be taxed separately. All are separated in this companies. And surcharge is also applicable, let's say on a domestic company. If the income is exceeding rupees 100 lakhs or 1 crore but is up to 1000 lakhs or 10 crores, then in such case the surcharge is applicable is 7%. And with the same and with the same limit income, in case of foreign company the surcharge is 2%. But if the income exceeds rupees 1000 lakhs, then in such case the surcharge applicable on a domestic company is 12%, and surcharge applicable on foreign company is 5%. Marginal relief is applicable on both. Rebate under section 87 capital A is not allowed to. Why? Because it is allowed only to individual who is resident individual. Okay, surcharge 4%. Same same process. 30 lakhs, sorry, 30 lakhs or let's say 30 lakhs is the income. 30%, that comes out to be 9 lakhs plus 4%. Okay, or if it is a foreign company, then 40%. uh, as such notes will not be provided to you by any other faculty. Remember that, by not any other faculty. Such short notes which you can revise at the time of exam also. Now, what is the meaning of domestic company? Let's see. Is the governing section of domestic companies is section 2, subsection 22 capital A. It has defined domestic company as an Indian company. The act have defined the domestic company as an Indian company. But if there is a foreign company, it can also be considered as a domestic company. DC is domestic company if it complies with the following three conditions. If it complies with the following three conditions, if these three conditions are not satisfied, even if at least one condition is not satisfied, then it will not be considered to be a domestic company. For the purpose of considering it to be a domestic company, it have to comply with the following three rules. The three rules are: the share register is maintained at the principal place of business, at the uh, principal place of business in India throughout the year. For that particular year, it will be considered to be a domestic company. Annual general meeting is held in India. Let's say any company, ABC Limited is a foreign company incorporated as per foreign laws for the year 2017-18. For the year 2017-18, it have considered it have done its annual general meeting in India. It will be considered to be a domestic company, and if dividends are payable only in India, dividends are payable only in India. All the shareholders of that particular foreign company are only Indians, because they will be paying dividends to the shareholders, and the shareholders are Indians. So that's why. Now, what's the principal place of business? A principal place of business is the place where it's let's say it is doing majorly business there. I hope you got it. It's incorporation. Let's say ABC Limited. Let's say ABC Limited is a foreign company. Its headquarters is in Delhi, is in New Delhi. Okay, it will be considered to be a domestic company when if its share register is maintained there. If its share register. Okay. Next, a taxability of HUF. Taxability of HUF. It will be as same as a normal taxability of a normal person. That is first 2,50,000 nil, next 2,50,000 5%, next 5,20%. Balance on balance income 30%. Surcharge is applicable in the same way 10%, 15%. If then casual income, casual income shall also be taxed at 30%. Casual income is also casual income shall also be taxed at 30%. LTCG, STCG, triple one A is the same 15% for this and 20% for this, and the same provisions as of LTCG and STCG of less income less than the exemption limit shall be adjusted by LTCG and STCG. It is both for an individual and a HUF, both the same, and the surcharge applicable 10%, 15% above 5 lakh, above sorry 50 lakhs, but below 100 lakhs by 10%, and above 100 lakhs by 15%. Okay, and that HEC 4% marginal relief is applicable. Okay, marginal relief is applicable. Rebate is not applicable. Why? Because it is applicable only to resident individual, not HUF. Next point. Uh, uh, Age of Karta in HUF shall be ignored even if he is of 85 years of age. Then also this income shall be this quantum of taxability of income shall be taxed, shall be applied. Okay, now let's take up with the next part. Taxability of a local authority. Who is in the local authority? For maintaining any city or a town, there's always some authority responsible, and such authority is called local authority. I repeat, in order to maintain any town or city, there's always some authority responsible, and such authority is called a local authority. Let's say MCD of Delhi. Yeah, MCD in Delhi. Okay, his taxability shall how shall be done. Firstly, such authority is allowed or to collect a house tax with regard with regard to house property, and some other tax are also collected by such authority. Then, as per section 10, subsection 20, his taxability is exempt. His income is exempt. The amount he collects from taxes, like a house property or any other type of tax, then it shall be exempt from income tax at 1961. Okay, but if such authority is doing any business or is having any type of a business, then such income from that business shall be taxable, just like a partnership firm. This is partnership. Okay, just like a partnership firm. Okay, now let's take with the next part, the final part, meaning of a person. The income tax at 1961 defines a person separately, and the CGST Act 2017 defines a person separately. Now, what the income tax at 1961 says, uh, an individual shall include what? Individual, HUF, any individual, let's say Mr. X, any human undivided family, any body corporate company, any partnership firm, including limited liability partnership firm, AOP and BOI. What are these? AOP is the associations of persons, and BOI means the body of individuals. I'll, I'll discuss it later on. First, I should complete its meaning. The meaning of a person. The meaning of a person shall also include local authority and every artificial judicial person. What is judicial? Judicial means legal. For uh, like uh, ICI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Delhi University, ICMA, that is Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and let's say ICSI, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, such persons. The definition is complete. If it is a direct question, or direct question in the paper, define what is the meaning of a person, then you should start like this. As per section 2 subsection 31 of the income tax at 1961, a person includes a person includes and means may there's a lot of difference between the includes and means. Okay, as per the law, the word term is the term include is written in the act. We can't change it. The word include is written in the act. We can't change it. Okay. Now, BOI and AOP. What are these? That is body of individuals and associations of persons. Body of individual means a group of persons, group of individuals which is neither a company, nor a partnership firm, neither a company nor a partnership firm. If it is registered in some other act, it will be called incorporated BOI. For example, cooperative society or trust. If such a group includes persons other than individual, also it will be called AOP. Okay, let's revise the BOI and AOP again. BOI is what? A group of individuals which is neither a company nor a partnership firm. If it is registered in some any other act, it will be called incorporated BOI. For example, cooperative society or trust. If such a group, if such a group includes a person other than individual, let's say any a company or any partnership firm, it will be called associations of persons. These are very minor points. It can be asked in MCQs for both C inter and CMA inter. Okay, for both C inter and CMA inter. Uh, and the taxability of BOI shall be at the normal slab rates, that only 2.5 lakh, 3 2.5 lakh bracket value, 2.5 lakh. I hope these definitions of BOI and AOP, which I have explained here, you have written it. If not, then please rewind the video and start writing. What was my objective for doing these small topics is that these can be asked for objective for MCQs in both C inter and CMA inter for 1 or 2 marks. For 1 or 2 marks for C inter and for CMA inter 1 marks MCQs, or true false or matched following whatsoever. Okay, now let's take up with one part of one question. It was asked in May 2006. It was asked in May 2006 for 3 marks. May 2006 for 3 marks. It was question number 2, A part. Okay, question number 2, A part. Mrs. X uh, is having total income of rupees 3,80,000. I should change the pen. Mr. X is having a total income of 3,80,000. This is the question of May 2006. Question number 2, A part, in which comprises of LTCG of 30,000, LTCG of 30,000, winnings from lotteries 20,000, and short-term capital gains under section 111A is 10,000, and agricultural income was for 50,000. It says compute tax liability, tax payable by Mrs. X. See, casual income 30% and 20,000 under section 115 double B. 6,000 tax on long-term capital gain. I hope you're getting the sum. Under section 112 at the rate of 20%, 30,000 pay 20%, 6,000. Next, STCG 111A 15% on 10,000. That comes out to be 1,500. And net normal income, how much? Rupees 3,20,000. Now, using partial integration, you have to write the word partial integration. It comprises half mark. Only half mark, yes. Even your half mark can take you to 40 marks. or 60 marks, as the case may be. Tax on 3,20,000 and agriculture income of 50,000 at slab rates. How much? 6,000. Tax on that exemption limit and 50,000. How much? 2,50,000 plus 50,000, 3 lakhs. At normal slab rate is 2,500. We should deduct it. Then step 3, per tax on normal income. How much? 3,500. Then I'm writing here because there's lack of space. Tax before HEC 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,500 plus 3,500. It comes out to be 5,000 plus 17,000 rupees. And HEC at the rate of 4%. How much? It comes out to be, I think, 680 rupees. Let me check. 17,000, 4%. 680 rupees. ₹680. So 17680. That is the tax payable by Mrs. X. I hope you got it. One more basic sum was there from this topic of CA Inter November 2018 paper. CA Inter November 2018 exam. Let me check that also. I'm playing here only. .icai.org. Students portal, intermediate course, paper number 4, taxation. Question papers, November 2018. See, this for the paper, and compute tax. See here. See, question number 6. It was asked for 5 marks. Okay. It was asked for 5 marks. Income from salaries 27,88,000. Income from house property computed 15,80,000. Interest income from FDRs. It will be taxed under the head other sources at normal rate 7,22,000. The total income comes out to be 27,88,000 plus 15,80,000 plus 7,22,000. That comes out to be 50,90,000. Okay, I think on this marginal relief is applicable. And don't get excited while reading the question paper in the first 15 minutes. There might be any trick in the question. Okay, now in this marginal relief was applicable, I should rather tell you the answer for this. Keep solving it for your revision purpose. It's sixth question, C part. I have computed this answer to be C. Huh. I should tell you the total income was 50 lakhs. Sorry, total income 50 lakhs 90,000. Okay. Second, tax before HEC. Sorry, tax at slab rate is computed as an amount equal to 13 lakhs 39,500. Then surcharge 10% 133,950. Total 147,350. Then marginal leave 70,950 is subtracted, and tax before marginal tax after marginal leave and before HEC is 1402500. Then compute HEC at the rate of 4% and compute the answer. Okay, this was of November 2018 CA Inter question 6 C part for 5 marks. Okay, I hope you all are clear with your basics of income tax. In the next lecture, we'll be starting with new topics of income tax. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye bye. And share, and subscribe my channel and videos. Thank you.